Welcome to National Nurses Week. I'm Susan Gronwald, President of Chamberlain College of Nursing. This week, we recognize the outstanding work that nurses do in our communities and give thanks to professionals like you who are helping to advance the profession. The American Nurses Association theme for 2013 Nurses Week is delivering quality and innovation in patient care. I think it's interesting that two of these words, quality and innovation, are found right in Chamberlain's mission statement. Our mission is to graduate extraordinary nursing professionals who transform healthcare worldwide. And we do that through quality academics, innovation, integrity, and world-class service. Each of you, whether you're a student, alumni, healthcare partner, or part of our faculty or staff, has a unique role in helping us achieve this mission. Every day, you make it possible for us to graduate extraordinary nursing professionals who are the next generation of nurses. So as we celebrate National Nurses Week this year, let's learn more about our heroes of healthcare by sharing stories of extraordinary nurses who truly care about making a difference. I encourage all of you to take part in National Nurses Week activities on your campus or in your community. Follow along and participate in the Chamberlain conversation on social media using #extraordinary. And see how Chamberlain is celebrating 2013 National Nurses Week by visiting us online at chamberlain.edu/extraordinary. Again, I want to thank you for everything you do every day to help Chamberlain create extraordinary nurses. Your extraordinary care will be the difference in helping us to transform healthcare worldwide.